Pretty big news for crypto today. Twitter to let users trade Bitcoin and crypto starting today in partnership with eToro, starting today. So this is going to be really interesting to track today. It's still early in the day, but I want to talk about this. And I also want to talk about the potential return of FTX. This is an hourly chart, FTX doubling. So please hit that subscribe, hit the like. We have a couple news events breaking today. Want to discuss. I appreciate each and every one of you. First thing to note, off of this Twitter eToro node news, you can just see this is where we are. This is a 4-hour chart on Bitcoin. Nothing immediately crazy happening. There's no immediate crypto pump because of this news, but the day is just starting here in the US, and it's going to be very interesting to see if this might be something that triggers a move out of the consolidation that Bitcoin has been in, namely this resistance area up to around $31,000. So this isn't a video on TA. We're going to do a TA video later, but that's something interesting to watch as we start this day. The news itself, though, I would say pretty big. Twitter partners with eToro to let users trade stocks, crypto, as Musk pushes app into finance. Twitter will let its users access stocks, cryptocurrencies, and other financial assets through a partnership with eToro, a social trading company. Starting Thursday, today, a new feature will be rolled out on the Twitter app. It will allow users to view market charts on an expanded range of financial instruments and buy and sell stocks and other assets from eToro, the company told CNBC exclusively. Want to note this. There's a very high quality content, real-time content on financial analysis of companies and what's happening around the world. And this is in relation to Twitter. And this is coming from the CEO of eToro. And let me know what you think about what Yoni is saying here, because Twitter is I've already noticed it's kind of really getting a huge market share of the journalism sector. Just everyday people reporting just news. And now bringing in the finance aspect of it, you can kind of start seeing what Elon is doing. And I think that's why he's calling Twitter the everything app, right? We believe this partnership will enable us to reach those new audiences and connect better the brands of Twitter and eToro. And so this is huge, not just for Twitter, obviously, but it's really big for the crypto space because you have one of the largest social media platforms in the world basically onboarding crypto as we have the government, the US government, really attacking crypto from multiple angles. And I think that is extremely ironic, and it's going to be very interesting to see how this dynamic plays out. So that's what I'm going to be watching. In other news, we have FTX. Look at this on the hourly chart. The speculation that goes on in crypto, it's just such a good picture of crypto, actually. We have this potentially breaking news happening in regards to FTX, and the price just doubles. FTX has recovered $7.3 billion, and the failed exchange could relaunch. Check this out. FTX will consider restarting its exchange operations, which could occur during the second quarter of 2024, according to Cointelegraph, citing comments from the company's legal at bankruptcy court hearing. And according to a separate report from Reuters, FTX attorney Andy, I'm not even going to try and pronounce that, said at the hearing, the situation has stabilized and the dumpster fire is out. So that's the news of the day, I guess. The dumpster fire as it relates to FTX is out and things are stabilizing. And right now, you can see the speculation on the FTX chart in regards to this. I would really love to know your thoughts in regards to FTX returning. Obviously, when there's money in play, when there's any glimmer of opportunity in play, there's going to be people on the back end that are looking at that and they're trying to evaluate, can we get on that? You know what I'm saying? So that seems to be what's happening here. They're testing the waters even in terms of sentiment. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this. I would say out of these two news events today, I think this is the biggest. Twitter just letting users trade Bitcoin and crypto starting today. You already know if you've been following Twitter crypto news most recently, they did allow for these cash tags where you can type in, a $sign and then Bitcoin or BTC, and it actually shows a chart of that crypto. This is kind of pivoting into that direction. So we're going to continue monitoring this. Again, we're going to do a video later discussing what is going on this chart. And we'll see as we do a video later, will Bitcoin move off of this news? Is there going to be some upward momentum for Bitcoin and crypto markets? hit the subscribe, hit the like. I appreciate you. Have an awesome day today. I'll see you in the next video. God bless.